Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to use that 20 USDT coupon on Bybit. Let's get in. On bybit.com, you'll have to log in and register with a new email address so that you can actually receive that reward. And on the top right hand side, you're going to look for your profile picture. And here we're going to go down and you're going to look for My Rewards. Now, once you tap on My Rewards, you will be taken to your rewards hub, and here you will find the 20 USDT coupon. Now you can tap on Use. It'll also give you a use by date, so there is an expiry date to it. So we're in the derivatives over here on your top menu, and here you can actually start using that coupon that was rewarded to you. So while this is loading, you can see over here we can buy and sell, but of course we're here to buy. So order by quantity, and here you want to make sure that you're clicking in on that drop down menu, and we want to say order by value, and then we are going to say confirm. Now once we tap on confirm, you can now enter that value over here. So we're going to tap on this now, and we are going to use 10 of those 20 USDTs. And here we are going to tap on buy long. Okay, and we are going to now tap on confirm. It says the current order may encounter the following circumstances. Please confirm before you proceed. The current order may be executed immediately as a market order. So we're going to just tap on confirm, and you have now successfully used from that voucher. You of course can use any value up to the 20 USDT that has been given to you. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We will see you next time. Cheers.